Okay, so I'm outside my house. We are putting up 2 awnings, one on this side and one on this side. They both have to be plugged in. Sorry, there's a mess back here. We only have one outlet, and right now we use this for the refrigerator, and I put radio out here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an outlet in here. This was clearly built on when they added this window, but it gives us a little space. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from the basement, and I'll show you. Where is it? Oh yeah. So this is basically the only thing on a 20 amp breaker. And I rarely use it. I only use it when I'm down here doing woodworking. So we're not gonna be opening and closing the awning the exact same time that I'm doing anything. So this can easily carry the load. This one here, it's 20 amp basement outlet 4. So. First I'm gonna do is drill a hole down to downstairs. Okay, I don't want to go too close to the wall because there's a ledger board. All right, so what I'll do is I'll go, let's say, like this. So the idea is I'm going to come down here and go across that way, just maybe over here, pretty close. Okay. All right. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it this way. Let me go downstairs and I'll push it up. Attach one of these. Switched over to easier to manipulate screws. All right, there we are. Kids are having a good time in the pool. Let's see what we got done. Let's watch this.
Wendy.
Yes, Lisa.
Yes, Lisa. Is the water
Yes, Lisa.
You're talking about. You're just going off some emotional shit that other people you follow.
So this is below that area. So there's the conduit. The wire's running inside there. It's running across here, about 20 feet. And I made it, there's a connection in here. These were my my dryer vents, as you can see. And I threw some stuff so insects don't go in the hole. But so I made a connection here. So there's one wire that runs from this spot right here up to the outlet. There's the other one. I'm gonna run this small wire into an electrical box, and I'm gonna make the connection. I'm gonna cut into that that wire, and I'll make a connection in a box. I'll mount the box and I'll make connection. I'll give this a slice right there. Connection, three-way splice. And then I'll turn the power back on. Actually, I won't turn the power back on, because then the wires outside will be live. So I'll make the connection up in the upstairs, and I'll turn the power back on. So here I am doing this last. I put the box up here. I spliced into the wire, and I'm making the last connections inside the house to join the outside circuit to the inside circuit. I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to turn the breaker on until I get the outlet hooked up upstairs, because when the second I turn it on, it'll be live out there. And there's just wires right now.
Changed it quick. Give it a quickie.
Who knows if they even need this. But
Said we don't want to leave it off for long because it's a three-family home. Alright, it's back on. Okay, so that's what was in there. I took that out because I couldn't get this piece out of here for some reason. I don't know why, but I just took out what's wrong with these, because I have to drill that sill out. It'd be a real pain in the butt to drill it, so let's just do this.
come on. Of course, slow this stupid thing, like I'm doing.
Keep it simple.
There you go. Okay, so this is what you call Murphy's Law. We're 2 days later, and the job is done. Okay, but I was looking at the, I loaded all the files onto my computer to edit together a video, and for some reason I don't have the most important clips, which is installing this thing. So let me just explain to you how it works in words, all right? So we had that wire coming up from down here, and there were 3 wires in there. There was basically a black that's hot, like this, a black that's hot, a white that's neutral, and a ground. Okay, so all you do is, you saw me, I put all these things and I screwed them in with pipe dope so that it's watertight. I attached these to the wall. There was a screw that screwed into the back of this. And then you take your outlet, and there are two plugs on it, just the top 2. There's the bottom 2 are covered up, because if you're gonna go into and out of, use all 4. But if you're just going into a single outlet, the gold screw gets the hot lead, which is black, and the white screw that's silver gets a neutral. So it's white to neutral, black to hot, and there's a grounding wire in there, green to ground. And that's basically it. Then I screwed this top in, and I turned the power back on, and you can test it if you have something like this. All right, this is, if it's correct, you're gonna get 2 yellows on these 2. So what I always do, you test it, and you can test the ground fault and make sure it's working by pushing this button here. And that's it, it popped it off. So the outlet's working properly, it's wired properly. So that's it. Again, I apologize. How ridiculous is that? The most important thing I don't have. But anyway, that's how you wire. I'm sure if you're watching this video because you have no idea how to wire an outlet, watch a few more. It's extremely straightforward. Okay, you just have to make sure the power's off, and you just have to make sure with a single outlet like this, where you're just taking one set of 3 wires and going in, it's self-explanatory. Like I said, black goes, the hot wire goes to the gold, the neutral wire goes to the silver, and the green goes to the ground. All right, so sorry about that.